already 10 o'clock in the morning, going to Makaha. This is Farrington Highway. Follow me. This is Waianae Boat Harbor. The guy is launching a rubber boat. These guys went to the ocean, they launched their boats. Boat trailers are parked. And those are the boats parked and secured. You catch any fish today?
Nope.
No fish?
No fish.
Oh, what a bummer. This is Waianae High School. They have a car wash. There's a hump over here. Another hump right here. Need to slow down. 7-Eleven. Going towards Makaha Valley. There's the valley right there. I'm on Makaha Road. Makaha Valley Road, I should say. Okay. Mauna Ulu cottages. This is a private road. This is a gated community. Not everybody can get in. Okay, I'm going towards Makaha Towers. A city bus. Okay, I have to get out. I have to get out on the highway. There are 4 entities that occupy Makaha Valley. One is Makaha Valley Towers with 586 unit home condominium. nestled against the majestic Waianae Mountains with incredible views ranging from the mountains to the tropical sea. It was built in 1970 at Keeley Drive. The towers are 20 stories tall and have 8 elevators. Second, Makaha Valley Plantation Condominiums is a complex of 572 condominiums. It was built in 1975. It's a low-rise home-style building. Third, Makaha Valley Country Club is nestled in captivating lowlands. Makaha Valley Country Club provides the other half of the 1-2 punch in this beautiful tourist region. Adjacent to Makaha Golf Club, Makaha Valley was designed by William F. Bell, who designed the Torrey Point South course, which hosted the 2008 US Open. Accented by gorgeous vistas, Makaha Valley weaves along rolling terrain, framed by dense trees, ferns, and tropical plants, presenting golfers with a variety of doglegs and elevation changes. The course builds an entertaining climax on one of Hawaii's most demanding closing holes. The last one, the gated community known as the Cottages of Maonaulu, is located on 26 acres, the foot of the majestic Waianae mountain range. Of all, the 118 homes exemplify trademark features of all Stanford car development communities. This gated community offers resort-like feel with ocean and mountain vistas, about 16 miles away from thriving urban city of Kapolei. This is Keeley Road going towards Makaha Beach. I just reached Farrington Highway at Makaha Beach. That's the beach, Makaha Beach. Beautiful Makaha Beach, not crowded at all. A lot of space. Come and enjoy over here. Nice place, beautiful place. No wave to surf, but this is a surfing spot for a competition. Few people enjoying themselves on the beach. Not crowded at all. People waiting for the wave, but no wave, so no luck at all. Nice soft sand. Look at that sand. Nice. Here at the beachfront of Makaha. Nice homes here along the shoreline of Makaha. This is KL Beach Park. It's kinda empty on a weekend. This is on the west side of Oahu. Nice and clean.
Responsible for. And 2 collections ago, so about 12 weeks ago, we pulled 3.5 tons worth of trash off the side of the road and beaches and the corresponding area around. All the way down to the next bridge on the other side is our area and responsibility. And like I said, if you want more information, you can talk to a guy named BB Stacker. He's the secretary for our club and our organization, which, by the way, we are a charitable organization, and this is only one of the things that we do. There's the Tripler Foundation, or the Tripler Run, we call it. There's the Fisher House, and then U.S. vets and AM vets and the homeless vets here on the island. We just made, or we're going to make a donation tomorrow of over $4,000 in cash. Plus there was all kinds of donations that came in from the community. I want to give a shout out to the USO. Tua, you and your boys always support. We love you.
Thank you. Oh, here you go. Hello, good morning. I came across with a group of individuals who are volunteering. They're doing cleanup work here in Makaha Valley. May I know who you are and what are you doing here?
I'm Mo. We're with CBMA and we're just cleaning up the highway.
And you guys are doing volunteer work for how often are you guys doing this?
This is once a quarter.
Once in a quarter. Thank you. You have anything to say, sir?
How you doing? Name's Jeff, road name gun runner, with CVMA, Combat Veterans Motorcycle Association. Just getting out, trying to help the community.
Thank you. Good job.
Thank you.
Thank you.